Welcome to our review of the TRALT Office Chair, a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to provide unparalleled support for your head, back, hips, and arms. This chair is perfect for individuals between 5 feet 5 inches and 6 feet 2 inches, offering adjustable features like seat height, headrest, backrest, and hinged arms to ensure comfort during extended periods of sitting. With a spacious, breathable mesh seat and a load capacity of up to 330 pounds, this chair is built for durability and comfort, featuring a unique reclining function that allows the backrest to tilt between 90 and 120 degrees. The 360-degree swivel base and silent rolling wheels make it ideal for smooth mobility on hard floors, whether you're working or gaming. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to clear instructions and all necessary tools included in the box, allowing most users to set it up in just 15 minutes. Plus, with a robust 5-point metal base, this chair ensures strength and stability for any task. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, as we stand by the quality of our product and offer free replacement parts if needed. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.